Welcome back to Robertrese's Corner of the World. Today I am doing my own DIY for my thermostat. I was quoted $389 by a company to replace it, and I decided to replace it myself. First I turned off the power, then I unscrewed it from the wall. Now at this point you will probably, or before unscrewing it, you will probably want to take a photo so you can see where the wires go. Or you can open your new thermostat and get the labels out and then label each wire as you take it off. Another note, when I was doing mine, my green and blue wire looked the same when I was looking back at the photo. They were pretty much looking like the same color on the photo is what I'm trying to say. So it's best to just do those labels that I did not do, of course. Now you can see that the G is on there, like there's already a label on there, but it's gonna fall off, and that's how I didn't know what was what until I really looked at the video. Okay, so this thermostat is a very simple thermostat. It's not non-programmable, which was okay it's okay for now. A lot of this, the tech stuff be acting up and stuff nowadays, so this is just fine. It can't be hacked. These are the labels that I was talking about earlier. We're going to take everything out of the box, and you'll be splitting it into teal sections, and then see how the lettering is also on there. It takes batteries, and this is where you need to turn it to either gas and oil or electric or pump. Gas and oil is to the left. You would click that switch, push that switch to the left, or if you have a pump or electric, you would switch that switch to the right. And when I say gas or electric, I'm talking about your furnace, your system. Just an example of how not to leave your wires this long. Cut them. Now right here, I did not have wire cutters, so I just grabbed some scissors and cut them. Well, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to see my channel grow, hit that subscribe button and have a wonderful day in your corner of the world.